WhatsApp update. Forward media with caption feature launched for iOS devices. WhatsApp has added a new feature that lets users forward an image with a caption. If someone doesn't want to forward the caption, the iOS app has a button to remove it from the image. WhatsApp, a messaging app owned by Meta, has added a new feature for iOS called Forward Media with Caption, which lets users send photos, videos, GIFs, and documents with a caption. WA Beta Info says that some users were able to use the new feature on their iPhones and iPads after getting the latest WhatsApp for iOS 2.23.77 update from the App Store. How to use the new feature. Users will have to send an image with a caption to see if this feature is turned on for their account. If it is, a new view will appear at the bottom of the screen. Also, if someone doesn't want to forward the caption, they can click a button to get rid of it from the image before sending the message. The feature will become available to more users over the next few days, according to a report. Last week, it was said that the messaging platform was working on voice status in iOS beta for an upcoming iOS update that would let users add voice notes to their status updates.